Hi everyone, welcome to Tweak Data Lab. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Python and Jupyter Notebook in Windows. Jupyter Notebook, like any other Python editor or notebook, is user-friendly and you can write and test your code in it. Search for Download Python in your browser and select the link from the official website. Click on the Download Python 3.13.6 version option and then save the file. The file size that you'll be downloading is around 27 MB, and once the download completes, you can open the exe file. Now before moving ahead with the installation, don't forget to select an option that is add python.exe to path. This is a very important step. After your download is completed, open your command prompt from the start menu and type python version to check the version of your Python installed. The version installed in my system that you're seeing is Python 3.12.3, which is an older version that I already have running in my system. You can locate the Python installed in your system by typing where Python. In my case, the first path that is being shown here is my default Python file location. Since I also have Anaconda prompt installed in my system, it is also displaying the location of Anaconda Python. Just in case you are not getting the output of these commands, you need to make sure that you have the Python path well defined under your environment variables. I will show you how to add the Python path manually. So in order to do that, locate the Python in your system and copy the path to the Python and the scripts folder in a notepad, which we will later add it to the environment variables. Go to your search query and look for system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Here you will find two options, user variables and system variables. We will add a path under the system variables. So you just need to select path, click on the edit option, and here you can see that I have already defined my path. In case you want to add it, you can just click on edit option and copy paste the path which we just pasted in our notepad. Then click on OK, and now you are done with updating the path. Check the installation again by going to your command prompt and typing python version, and now you should be able to see your Python version. Now we can proceed to install a Jupyter notebook. In the command prompt, type pip install Jupyter. The download will proceed and get completed within seconds. After this is done, you can check the Jupyter version by typing Jupyter version, just like we did for Python. So here we can see the Jupyter packages that are installed. To access Jupyter, create a new folder and name it Jupyter Notebook. Open the folder and type cmd. Now inside the command prompt, type Jupyter space notebook and then press enter. Now you can see that a new Jupyter workspace will get opened. Inside this workspace, we can create our blank notebook and start typing our code in it. For example, I can use this blank notebook and type print hello everyone. You can save this file by going to File and then clicking on Save Notebook. The file can also be renamed. We just have to click on File and then select the Rename option. So let us rename it to New Notebook. The file automatically gets saved in our Jupyter Notebook folder that we had just created. We can also open this file in our VS Code editor as well. Click Open with VS Code editor. Now before writing anything, I will first select my base Python kernel. After I've selected my kernel, I will give a print command to check if the output is working or not. So I will just write simply print 2 plus 2. And now we are getting the output. So that's the end of the tutorial on step-by-step installation of Python and Jupyter Notebook for Windows. Please like the video and leave a comment if you found it useful. Thank you everyone.